Hello everyone, it's Retracer56 here, and today I'm going to unbox these two multi-packs from the Silver series. One from JDM and one from European Rides. Oh wait, from European Rides. And they're from Barnes and Noble. So the unbox is JDM. Let's unbox the JDM. Flip it open. You can see his amazing artwork. Here's the cards. Let's unbox it. Well, trying to download something. There we go. Alright. Okay. First one we got is the 1982 Toyota Supra Mark II. It's metal on metal, heavy, got Silver Series rims, got tail lights, and headlights, and it's silver. Cool. Very awesome. Very cool. Next, we got the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Got it in green with white stripe on the hood and on the trunk. Got headlights. Got black rims with silver stripe on the wheels. Cool. Got a license plate on the front. Very cool. This one have a plastic base. Awesome. Next, we have the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX in white with gray stripes on the hood and on the trunk and on the doors. Got black rims with silver stripes on it. Got headlights and got Toyo tires on the bumper and on the sides and Hot Wheels logo. Very cool. Very cool. Also have a plastic base. Next, we have the Honda Civic Si in black with blacked out rims with blue stripe on the wheels. Okay, tail lights. We got blue stripe on the door with rays on it. And blue stripes on the hood. Very cool. Oh, and got blue interior as well. Real cool. Also have a plastic base. Next, we have the Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR in red with Naito on the hood, on the black hood. Got white and black stripes on the side. Got Naito on the door. Got silver rims. Got tail lights and headlights. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Also have a chrome base. Chrome plastic base. And lastly, we have the 71 Datsun Bluebird 510. Got chrome rims. Datsun on the side, on the door. Got black hood and orange stripes. Got headlights in front and taillights in the back. Very cool. Very cool. Awesome. That's JDM right there. Now time to unbox. Hold on. Hold on, everyone. Hold on. Download something real quick. I'm downloading videos. Anyways, here the European car multi-pack. Here the card artwork. Very cool. My favorite artwork is the Mercedes right there. That looks beautiful. Alright, here are the cars. Yep, let's unbox it, shall we? Alright, here you go. First up is the BMW 507. Here it is, right up here. The card art. Let's get him. Here's the car. Got silver rims. Plastic chrome base. Got orange interior. Very cool. And dark blue. Cool. The tail lights in the back. Awesome. Next, we have the Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5-16. That's a card art right there. Red. Here's a car. Very awesome. Candy apple red. Got tail lights and headlights. And got black rims with a chrome line on it. Very cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. Next, we got the Audi RS5 Coupe. Yeah, Audi RS5 Coupe in light blue. Awesome. Black rims. A black stripe on the hood and on the side. Tail lights. Headlights. Very cool. Also got plastic base. Oh, and this one has a metal base. Metal body, metal base. So, next is the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0. Here it is in green. Here it is. Green. With chrome rims. Plastic body. Tail lights. Headlights. Cool. Next, we have the Volkswagen Golf MK7. Here it is. In gold. With black rims. Tail lights. And headlights. There's a Hot Wheel logo on the side. Cool. And lastly, we got the 96 Porsche 911 Carrera. Here it is. In like gray. Or silver, what do you call it? Yeah, I call it gray. Cool. Got headlights, tail lights, and got black roof. Got silver rims. Awesome. So yeah, these are my 2026 Hot Wheels Euro speeders and JDM cars multi-packs. Hope you all enjoy. Peace.